this very impulsive buy turned out to be something I really liked. I'm talking about the Kiehl's Magic Elixir Scalp and Hair Oil Treatment. This is a lightweight scalp treatment that has been infused with avocado oil, rosemary oil for the scalp and hair to feel moisturized, improve hair's manageability, and provide a natural shine. This is a pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types and is supposed to promote a healthy scalp and leave the hair feeling and looking healthier. Now, assuming that they say that this is for all hair and scalp types, I'm also going to include people probably with fine hair or dry scalp. Now, they also claim to be sulfate-free, synthetic fragrance-free, no added fragrance, no mineral oils, and no artificial dyes. Now, I see here they have something called Persea gradissima, which is just Latin for avocado. This oil from this fruit is excellent source of skin replenishing fatty acids, including omega-3 linoleic acid, omega-6 linoleic acid, and oleic acid. I also see safflower oil, which stimulates blood circulation to promote hair growth. It also contains high amounts of oleic acid, which sinks into the scalp quickly, vitamin E, and essential fatty acid, providing moisture to the lengths of the hair, both for the scalp as well as your hair. I also see something called sweet almond oil. You all may be familiar with this. It's rich in magnesium, calcium, and zinc, all of which are important for healthy hair. You will also see rosemary essential oils, which strengthens and helps circulation. Beyond stimulation hair growth, rosemary essential oils is used to prevent premature graying and dandruff. I also see aloe vera, which combats excessive oil buildup and dandruff on the scalp and eliminates bacteria with its enzyme. It moisturizes the hair and promotes hair growth and acts as a conditioning agent. Now, I do see all of these good ingredients, but I also see fragrance in the oil. So if you are allergic to fragrance or essential oils, I would recommend testing this out first before you actually go buying this and using this on your scalp. I do like the bottle that it comes in. Very well thought of, I must say. It is a plastic bottle with a nozzle and it's really easy to use and store. I got mine from the Kiehl store here in the UAE. It was priced around 88 dirhams. In the US, I know it's priced at $22. In the UK, around 30 pounds, and in India, around 2,750 rupees. You want to start by giving the bottle a little shake and mixing all those oils, brushing your hair and taking off all those knots, and make small sections in your scalp and pour a little in each of those sections. Once done, you want to also not forget the front portion next to your forehead. I like to run a little bit around that area and around my nape area as well, a little of the back behind my ears, and then I like to massage very gently for about a minute or two with my fingertips, or you could also use a scalp massager. I prefer using my fingertips. Like I said, I like to massage for about 2 to 5 minutes, tie my hair, and leave it to soak in for about 10 to 15 minutes. The most I've left it to soak in is for about 30 minutes, and then I wash it off thoroughly. You want to make sure you use this oil on dry hair and not on damp or wet hair. Now, when I'm in the shower, I like to wash my hair twice. This is my general rule, that I like to wash my hair twice with a shampoo. Then I'll follow up with my conditioner. Once I'm out from the shower, I'll just air dry it and I will style the next morning. Now, since this oil is really lightweight, it does not leave back any residue once washed, and I like to use it every alternate week. I really enjoyed using this. I do really like this oil. I want to say that I do experience dry, itchy scalp from time to time, and oils generally help me soothe my scalp, but then the sore, dry scalp keeps coming back. Since I've started using this, I don't experience that anymore. I really like this because it comes off very easily and does not leave my hair weighed down or oily. I would recommend this for anybody who has dry, itchy scalp or damaged hair even, or if you use a lot of heated tools regularly. This will help strengthen the shaft and also reduce hair fall. I really do like it and I find it really easy to use, and I'm going to highly recommend it. That's all for today. Thank you so much for staying till the end and watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, I suggest you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you want to be informed every time I put up a video, and I'll see you soon. Bye!